Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, I'll be showing a new product and pwede to add to your hair care. Yes, kaya tignan yung aking buhok ngayon. Sobrang ganda ng result sa akin. So ito, isi-share ko na sa inyo kung ano to. So ito siya guys. This is the L'Oreal Professionel Paris. Yes, ito yung kanilang Absolut Repair na mask. So ito ay may protein plus gold quinoa. I'll be showing a video kung paano ko siya gamitin step by step. So just keep on watching.
Hi guys! I just want to share a product that you won't have to worry about damage and dryness in your hair. Just like mine, for example, look at that. It's very frizzy, dry, and damaged. Introducing the Absolut Repair Professional Mask of L'Oreal Professional Paris. Tara, samahan niyo ako maligo and I'll show you on how to use this Absolut Repair Professional Mask. First step, of course, is the shampoo. So, apply shampoo evenly on hair and massage. So, ginamit ko tong isang shampoo ng L'Oreal Paris. Then, rinse truly. Fan na fan kami ng L'Oreal Paris kaya may collection kami dyan. Remove excess water sa hair natin. Then, you can apply mask evenly on wet hair na. This Absolut Repair Mask is enriched with wheat protein and gold quinoa extract. So pagka-apply natin sa ating hair, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Grabe guys, ang sarap sa hair and nag-alarm ako for 3 minutes. And of course, ang last part is rinse truly. Napakalambot, napakabango, and nakaka-healthy ng buhok to. So here's my final look. Wow, I love it. Girl, who you? I'm so in love with my hair right now. Parang akong nag-salon. And it instantly restores very sensitized hair. It's professionally bought like formula, leaves hair fibers 7 times shinier and smooth for an overall controlled look. I'm so happy I discovered this Absolut Repair Mask of L'Oreal Professional Paris. And I get to enjoy summer without having to worry about hair damage and frizz. How about you guys? I want to hear about your summer plans and how you make L'Oreal Pro a part of it. So buy yours now.
So ayan guys, napakita ko na sa inyo yung video. And grabe, ang ganda talaga ng effect niya after nyo gamitin yung professional mask. Sobrang naging soft yung hair ko. Nakita nyo naman sa video ko yung before ko, diba? Napakatigas, napaka-frizzy, napaka-dry, diba? Pero tingnan nyo yung after ng paggamit ko ng kanilang professional mask. Napakaganda sa hair, napakasarap sa feeling, napaka-soft, napaka-lightweight. Parang lalong naging lightweight kasi nga yung aking hair is makapal, so medyo mabigat siya. Pero since gumamit ako ng professional mask, naging lightweight siya, and naging smooth, shine, and naging bouncy yung buhok ko dahil sa professional mask. Ayan o, napakaganda. It's so soft, so smooth. Ayan o. Wow! And guys, take note, napakabango kasi parang siyang butter. Yes, amoy niya is butter. And yung kanyang texture napaka-soft. And napakadaling i-apply sa ating hair. So, ito buksan natin. Ayan. So, ganyan itsura niya. Look. Ganda ng texture. And napakabango niya. Promise guys. Parang siyang butter talaga. Bango. And promise, napakabango sa hair ko. Yung habang nagdadry nga ako ng buhok ko, amoy na amoy ko na. Tapos pinaamoy ko sa nanay ko. Sabi ko, napakabango ng aking buhok. Tapos nung inamoy niya, sabi ko, oo nga, napakabango. Parang gusto niya din itry mamaya. Nakakaganda siya ng hair. Yung mga claims ng product na to, talagang very true, very legit. So ayun, enjoy na enjoy ang summer ko because of this product na Absolut Repair Professional Mask ng L'Oreal Professional Paris. I've got nothing to worry about my hair na damage and frizzy kasi nagawa na ng paraan nitong Absolut Repair. Ito yung masasabi ko na wow na product. And ito ay 250 ml. And guys nga pala, if ever meron na kayong shampoo nito ng Absolut Repair, akin kasi ginamit ko iba, pero L'Oreal Paris din yung ginamit ko. Same brand lang din. Pero for best results, kung gusto nyo talagang bonggang-bongga yung hair nyo, pwede nyo gamitin, of course, Absolut Repair Gold shampoo nila. Then after that, ito. Tapos yung last step actually, mayroon silang oil. Yes, ilalagay ko dito yung picture. Ayan, yan yung last step nila. Pero kasi wala pa ako, ito lang meron ako. Pero kahit ito lang meron ako guys, grabe yung effect niya sa aking hair. Naging smooth, nag-shine, and nawala yung pagiging frizzy ng hair ko. That's why I highly recommend this product from L'Oreal Professional Paris. So before I end this vlog, of course, I would love to thank L'Oreal Professional Paris for sending these over. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga sa buhok ko. Highly recommended talaga tong product na to. And I really hope na maka-work ko kayo again soon. So this is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope na nagustuhan niyo tong video ko. If ever you have any comments or suggestions, you can comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mommy Pammy. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!